Imagine standing in the middle of a vast desert surrounded by rolling sand dunes. The sun is setting, the wind is soft, and suddenly the ground beneath you hums with a deep musical sound. It's as if the earth itself is singing. This isn't your imagination. It's a real phenomenon known as singing sand dunes. The dunes produce a low, eerie hum that can carry for miles, like a natural, otherworldly symphony. But what exactly causes this strange concert in the desert? At its core, the singing happens when sand grains shift down the slope of a dune. Picture thousands of grains rubbing against each other as they slide. It's like tiny instruments playing in unison. Not all dunes sing. The sand has to be just the right size, shape, and moisture level. Scientists discovered that grains between 0.1 to 0.5 millimeters wide are ideal, fine enough to flow smoothly, but coarse enough to create friction. When the wind blows or when you step on the dune, it sets off a chain reaction. The sand vibrates as it cascades down, creating a deep, resonant note, almost like the sound of a bass guitar. Interestingly, the sound isn't random. Each dune produces a specific note, often between 70 to 105 hertz. That's similar to the low hum of a cello or even a foghorn. Singing dunes aren't unique to one place. You can hear them in deserts around the world, from Death Valley in California to the Sahara Desert, and even parts of China and Chile. But here's the fun part. Some dunes sing in harmony, producing multiple tones at once. Others stick to a single note. The louder the avalanche of sand, the louder the music. Despite studying the phenomenon for years, scientists still don't fully understand why dunes produce such a clean, consistent sound. Some think it has to do with the air trapped between grains, while others believe the temperature of the sand plays a role. One thing is certain: no matter how much we learn, hearing it in person feels nothing short of magical. Nature never ceases to amaze. From singing sand dunes to glowing caves and mysterious ice towers, the earth is full of surprises. If you ever find yourself wandering through a desert and hear the sand sing, just know you're witnessing one of nature's rarest performances.